I sometimes get the question, what is end in Ndebele? Then I have to ask, what is it that you want to say? Like which two words are you trying to join together? Because end can be lo, can be le, lama, lava, depending on the word that you're talking about, specifically the second word. So I've put those words in groups, in 5 groups, so that you know when to use lo, when to use le, lava, and the rest of the forms of end. So let's start off with when you're talking about people. So when you're talking about a person, whether you're using their name or their title, you use lo in Ndebele. Okay. For example, umama and ubaba. How do you say that in Ndebele? So you are going to say umama lo baba. What you do is the second word, like I was saying, the second word is what you concentrate on. So you have said umama plus lo plus ubaba. You bring together lo and ubaba so that it makes lo baba. You drop the u in ubaba. That's basically what you do. So here is what you could say: umama lo baba bathabile. Okay, father and mother are happy. All right. Another example would be uNomalanga lo Mpilo badanile. They are sad. Okay. If you wanted to say me and my sister are running, mina lo dadewethu siyagijima. Right. So remember, I said you can use a name, you can use the title, and you're still going to say lo. Now, moving on to the plural. If the second word is a plural, right? Like you want to say ladies and gentlemen, right? You want to say me and my friends, right? Anything that's a plural. This is where you're now going to use lava or lavo. For example, mina labangane bami siya esikolo. Me and my friends are going to school. Okay, so here the second word was a plural. It's why it's lava. Okay, mina labangane bami siya esikolo. Then if you wanted to say mother and the children are at home, umama labantwana basendlini, and umama labantwana. All right. Another example would be omama labo baba bahlezi phandle. All right. Omama labo baba. All right. So remember, I said it's lava or lavo, depending on the plural. So the plural of umama is omama. That's why I was saying obaba labo mama bahlezi phandle. Okay. The third group is where we're talking about items, and this is where most items they fall into this category. So almost all the words in Ndebele start with I. Isihlahla and ilitshe, isitina, angithi isitulo, isikhwama, iwini, inkomicho, imbuzi. Right. For all these words, we use le to join them together. So what we're saying is, if the second word is an I word, is most of the items in Ndebele, you're going to say le. All right. Let's get into the examples. Ngicela isinkwa ledobi. So you have isinkwa, you have idobi, and now you've joined them together with le. Isinkwa ledobi. All right. And if you wanted to say, bring me the chair and table, ngiphathela isitulo letafula. So itafula is the table. Now you've joined the le and itafula to bring out letafula. Is it making sense? Right? Ngibone impisi lesilwane izolo. All right? Ngibone impisi lesilwane izolo. I saw a hyena and a lion yesterday. Okay? Then even the plural, remember we just said ngiphathela isitulo letafula, right? If you wanted to say a table and chairs, bring me a table and chairs. you would say ngiphathela itafula lezitulo. Is still le, and then izitulo is the plural form of chairs, right? So ngiphathela itafula lezitulo. Right. Now, when we are talking about words that start with U, right? We use lo. Okay, these are words like umangoye, umnyango, umthanyelo, umbheda. Okay, these words start with U. So we use lo the same way we do when we're talking about people. Because even people start with U, remember. If you're talking about a person, you're saying umfana, umuntu, inkazana. Inkazana is an exception. Umntwana, usipho, ubongiwe, angithi. So even with words that start with U, you use lo. Okay, you use lo. Right. If you wanted to say, for example, I saw a dog and a cat there. Ngibone inja lomangoye laphana. All right. That's how you say inja, because umangoye starts with u, right? So we're using lo because we only look at the second word, right? Inja, umangoye. So you see umangoye, you know you're going to say inja lo mangoye. So if you wanted to join the word gate and door, igedi, and then the door is called umnyango, right? As long as you're saying umnyango as the second word, you're going to use lo because it's a U word. So igedi lomnyango. If you wanted to say go and open the gate and the door, hamba uyevula igedi lomnyango. Igedi lomnyango. Right. You want to say bring a bag and a book. A bag is called what in Ndebele? Isikhwama. And the book? Ugwalo. Okay. So what you will say is letha isikhwama lo gwalo. So whenever the second word starts with a U, you now know you're going to use lo. Okay. Umnyango, lomnyango. Ugwalo, lo gwalo. What's the other one we talked about? We said umangoye. So if you're saying and a cat, lo mangoye. All right. To demonstrate how important it is to realize which word is the first or the second, let's do the sentence. What did we say? We said ngibone inja lo mangoye. Okay. Lo mangoye. What if you wanted to start by mentioning umangoye? How would that sentence go? Ngibone umangoye lenja. Now the second word is inja. And because the second word is inja, we are now using le. Does it make sense? We're now using le. We're saying umangoye lenja. But if you're saying it's starting with inja, inja lo mangoye. Let me know if that's making sense. Please, please, please. Right. Lastly, we want to join two words that are in plural form. And their particular plural is ama. Okay, we have different types of plurals in Ndebele, but here we're talking about words like amagwili, potatoes, amaphepha, papers, amatamatis, tomatoes, amakhowa, mushrooms, what else? Amakhiwa, white people, amashona, shona people. All right. So if that's the second word and you want to join it with another word, you want to say this and amakwili and amatamatis. The joining is going to look something like this. Ngifuna umbhida lamatamatis. Umbhida, amatamatis. When you bring them together, we then say lama tamatis. Okay. Ngifuna umbhida lama tamatis for every plural that starts with ama. Okay. Good. Even any word that's not a plural that starts with ama, for example, amanzi, water. We just say amanzi, whether you're talking about 5 liters or a drop, right? So if you wanted to say, I want I want what? Let's say you're buying from the shops. I want salt and water. Ngifuna itswayi lamanzi. And as long as the ama word is the second, you're going to say lama. That's how you join it together with another word. Right. So how would you say I ate bread and potatoes in the afternoon? Ngidle isinkwa lamagwili emini. Okay. Amagwili is potatoes. Pass me the matches and papers. Maybe you want to go and make a fire. How will you say that in isiNdebele? Ngiqhubela umentshisi lamaphepha. Right. That's how you use and in Ndebele. Let me know if it's making sense and let me see you in the next lesson.